Hello everyone. So we will continue with sixth program. Because of I had got COVID, I'll find very difficult to speak. So I take small session of classes because still I'm not able to speak properly. Continue. So you people who are eligible, take the vaccine quickly. Otherwise, this COVID and all is very bad. Still, I have huge throat pain. I have to take so many tablets, have a cup of tea before taking a class. Then I take all the rest between the classes. So I find very difficult to speak. So you people who are eligible, go and take vaccine quickly. Okay. So I think sixth program you have done. We will just revise. So sixth program is on files. You can see this, no? Write a C program to count the number of characters in a given file. So what is there? One file will be there. Okay. So what you will give the input to the program here, one file. Okay. Any file name, maybe it is pavitra.txt or any other C program. Then what the program will do, it will count the number of characters in the file and display. So for this, you have standard input output file, this header file, ponyo.h, this, and std lib for exit function. So for a file pointer, we need a data type called file. Then we need a file pointer. Then we have a character array to read the content, to read the name of the file. Okay, you will give an input name as this file name, no? So that then we have counter to count the number of this character in a file. Then you will clear the screen. Then you will read any file name. Okay, for that we need this variable file name. You're able to see program, no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So you will enter the file name. Since it is a character array, we don't need ampersand here, and it is character array, that is string. So %s. Then to count the number of file, count the number of character in a file, we have to open the file. To open the file, we use f open. Okay, and then we will not use here quotes. Why will not use here quotes is I'm not giving any file name directly. Okay, I'm writing variable name. Okay, then I will open the file in read mode. Okay, so I'll open the file in read mode because I'll just open a file which is existing and count the number of characters. Then first thing, it will check if it is equal to null. If file is not there only, then it will give equal to null, and then it will print file doesn't exit, and it will exit and get ch to hold the screen. If you will not write get the ch, it will just flash and vanish. Okay, then I'll go on reading. Get ch to read character by character from the file. So until end of the file, I'll go on counting. Okay, so it will give me, then afterwards I'll close the file and display the count. Okay, so let's see how to execute this. So this, what you will do is, this C program, you have to just enter the file name and count. But first the file, you should create the file. Yes or no? So I'll create a file first. So we'll see how to create a file first. So share screen. One second. Share screen. What you can see on the screen? Can you see the folders? C drive, can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So can you see the C drive here? Can you see my C drive? Yes or no? Okay, you can see, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So where your turbo C is installed, you have to go and see. Where here my turbo C is installed here. Okay. Here one folder is there, bin. Okay. Here only you should create your file which you are reading. Okay. So for example, I'll create new any text file and write some things because I have to read how many are there. So I'll take it using a text document. So what name shall I give? Mm, What I'll give? I'll give ABC, abc.txt. So then I'll open the file and write something. Remember the file name, okay? So I'll open, then I'll write it. Hello, how are you? This is my file for program 6. So then I'll save it. Remember where I have to write this text file? In bin folder of your turbo C folder. Okay. So now what I'll do, this I'll give as an input to my C program. Okay. And I'll give abc.txt. It will count how many this characters are there in this. So what I'll do, so now I'll go to C program. Let's see. Program already have typed. You have to type same program. You can see the program. Yes or no? Can you see the program?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is my 6th program. Okay. Now let's execute this. I'll compile and see first any error. So there are no errors. Then I'll run. So what it will ask me? It will ask me file name. So what I'll enter? Just now I created. Yes or no? So I'll write abc.txt. So if see why this program is not telling me. Can anyone tell why it vanished? It gets ch is there. Exit. I think file has not opened. So I'll try to read ds5. So see, wow, why first thing it vanished was I think file is not created properly abc.txt. So what I am enter file name ds5.c. Okay, so it has given me number of characters in the file is 267. That is previous program. So now I'll wait. One more thing I'll do. Here why it vanished is exit is first, then get it. So I'll just modify and then see the error. Exit 0. So I will save it. Let's try to read this abc.txt. If it will not read, we'll see the error, why it is happening. So I will give the input abc.txt. File doesn't exist, it is telling. We will check once more. What is the error? I'll go to again same turbo C thing. Okay, and try to write. Why the file is not opening? We'll see. Where is that abc.txt? Maybe file name is not proper. I'll go to properties and check the file name. Or one more file I'll create. New text. Okay, so I'll just open and then rename. So I'll write government polytechnic and write. You're able to see the file, no? So name I'll give it as maybe Pavitra I'll give. Pavitra I'll give. So no need not give extension. See here, already it is taking .txt. So I'll save. I'll go back to my program. You're not able to see anything, you tell me, okay? Are you able to see the program now on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Program clearly is visible. So I'll compile it, then I will run it. So now I'll give the name as pavitra.txt. So will it count? See, it is counting. Number of characters in a file is 22. What was there in the file? Yes, just now I wrote the file, no? What was there in the file? So we'll see 22 is correct or no. So where is that Pavitra file? So we will count. How many are there? You count. Can you see this file? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then space is there 11. So how many? One space is there 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Correct? Yes or no? So 22 it showed, right? Now I'll write Hubli. So how much it should tell me?
File is not visible, ma'am.
Screen is not visible. See in this Pavitra file I have taken. In this I have written Government Polytechnic Hubli. So how many are there? 22 till Polytechnic, 23 space 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Now I'll give the this file as this. What answer I should get? 28. So I'll execute the program and see. So let's execute the program again. Program is visible now. So
Yes, ma'am.
I'll run. So what is the name of the file? Pavitra.txt. So what answer I'll get? 28. Yes or no? 28 are there. Like this you have to do. Now I will try to give one name which doesn't exist only. Okay. Any other person who has joined today? Okay. Maybe Rahul is there. Okay. Stop share. I'll execute the program again with a file name which doesn't exist here. Okay. So I'll enter the file name as rahul.txt. Rahul.txt. What output it will give me? File doesn't exist because I have not created. So if I want to read this file rahul.txt, I have to create again. Okay. Or maybe one more program. We will try to read same program. Okay. So I will give the name as ds6 only. What it will show, we'll see. ds.6. See, it is reading the same program. So any existing file name, if you give, it will read. Okay. Otherwise, it will give error. So any doubts in this? Can you do this? Can you do it or no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So what you have to do, write the program in C program and then try to read any existing file. If the file doesn't exist, it will give error. Otherwise, it will tell it is successful. So now you can execute the program and then put a screenshot about this of the same in the WhatsApp group. Okay. So I'll be waiting for that. Then tomorrow I'll tell you the class timing. So take care. See you.